Guangdong Saimai Industry Equipment is a comprehensive manufacturer specialized in the R&D, design, manufacturing, marketing, and after-sales installation of the bakery production line. Let's go and see it. It is a leading provider of bakery production lines in China and is committed to customers with safe, environmental friendly, and turnkey solutions for bread lines, cakes line, and other pastry lines. We have more than 39,000 square meters of factory and more than 200 employees. Our machines are independently developed and designed by Saimai. We have obtained 37 new patent certificates so far. We also got the ISO 9001 certificate. We are the National High-Tech Enterprise and the Guangdong Province Enterprise of Observing Contract and Valuing Critic. Because of the advanced processing machines such as Amanda punching machine, laser cutting machine, and the famous brands such as Su Motor, ABB Reducer, Armroom Program, and Ali Brantley Program. We build high-efficiency and saving energy bakery machines. For cake and bread making machines, our market share in China is around 30%. We sell around 80 lines every year on average. We are at the top level in the industry. We have raw material processing workshop, tunnel oven manufacturing workshop, assembly workshop, production line taxing workshop, electrical room, and warehouse. Here is our warehouse. The excellent quality machine is made with superior raw materials and exquisite craft. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to look for more information, feel free to check out our website.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.